WREG's Elise Preston has been monitoring the driving conditions all morning long. She joins us now live from DeSoto County, where Highway 61 is flooded. Elise, how bad is it?
Well, Alex, Mary Beth, I'm standing right in the middle of Highway 61 at Star Landing. Now, I wouldn't dare do this on any other day, but you can see right behind me, the road is flooded. Let me step out of the way so you can see this car right here in the middle of your screen is completely submerged in water. If you take a look at that driver window, it is down. We're told that some other drivers were good Samaritans out here this morning, and they helped rescue that driver. It looks like they were headed, down the road. They saw what was going on, and they turned around, which isn't necessarily, you want to turn around, but they didn't turn around in the right spot, and that's how they got stuck. If you come out from where the water is and take a look closer to where we're standing, you can see some tire tracks right here in the median. About an hour ago, we saw another car get stuck right here. And again, a good Samaritan, a semi-truck driver, hooked up to that truck, and they were able to pull that driver out of the median because they were stuck for quite a while. They were trying to get out from this median right here, and they just couldn't do. They would back up, they would back forward, and they could not get out of the median. Thank goodness for that semi-truck driver who is here to help that driver get out and go on its way. Reporting live in DeSoto County, Elise Preston, WREG News Channel 3.
Elise, is that the only place you've seen flooding like that?
No, as soon as we hit Highway 61 and we were coming into DeSoto County, Mary Beth, to our right and to our left, the fields are just completely flooded. All you would see was water. It looked as though, there's supposed to be a lake or a river there, but we know usually there's grass and it's a field. So you want to be careful. The rain is coming down, and we know that it's not going to stop anytime soon. So you definitely want to be careful. If you have to go somewhere, give yourself plenty of time, because you don't know necessarily, like these drivers right here, what you could get into.
Thank you very much. A lot of good advice. And of course, you'll want to stay with WREG all day long for the latest on these storms. Our weather experts will be tracking the rain on air. You can also follow us online and on social media. We'll update WREG.com as changes in the forecast come in.